Hi there. Have you ever wondered how people become an overnight success? I'm here to tell you how that happens. My name is Lorna Scott from Accelerated Success Consulting. I'm the author of the best-selling book, Walking the Journey Together Alone, Finding Peace, Hope, and Joy in the Middle of the Shit. And I use that in my work with caregivers. Today, I am here to talk to you about your success and what it takes to become an overnight success. And I hate to burst your bubble, but I don't think there really is such a thing as an overnight success. It can seem that way, that all of a sudden people come out of nowhere and they're famous, they're best-selling authors, they're starring in movies. What we don't see is what happens behind the scenes. And an excellent example of this is Jack Canfield and Mark Victor Hansen, the co-authors of the Chicken Soup for the Soul series. They worked hard on that book. They did something called the Rule of Five, which I might talk to you about in another video, that helped them get that book to the New York Times bestseller list. And here's the behind the scenes information. The first is to have a goal. You must know where you're going and what it looks like, at least for now, it will be in the end. Have a plan. Take your goal, chunk it down into manageable steps, and work on those. Work on something every day, or at least 5 days a week. And that will get you closer to your overnight success. And number 3 is to be persistent. Learn how to take no as a good thing. Look for your no's because they always make you closer to a yes. Ask for introductions to people. Believe in what you want to do and where you want to go. And it all starts with number 1, and that's having the goal. And if you aren't clear about what it is that you want to do or how that might work out, maybe you know there's a problem and you want to solve it, but you don't know how yet. It took them 2 years to hit that New York Times bestseller list. 2 years of contacting radio shows, doing interviews, doing tours. There was lots of work behind the scenes, and even before that, they pitched that book to 144, that's right, 144 publishers before they found someone who believed in their idea of sharing inspirational short stories. They were told 143 times, this won't work. So how did that come to an overnight success? This is what you can do, and you can do this too. There's 3 things to do to start to become your overnight success. Then I invite you to consider taking the passion test and the vision board workshop that I am having in Medicine Hat. And if you happen to be out of town, don't worry, I can do the passion test with you over Skype or Zoom or the phone. I make it really easy, and I'll be offering an online course soon. So please remember, you too can be an overnight success. Have a goal, get clear on what it is that you want that goal to be, have a plan, and chunk it down into manageable steps that you can work on every day, and be persistent. You're going to get a few no's, but you're going to get the yeses that are going to take you leaps towards your goal. I'm Lorna Scott with Accelerated Success Consulting, and I look forward to seeing you have success beyond expectations.